Hello and welcome. How you all doing? Welcome back to KPJPFlorida. My new jumper from Disney, loving it. A little bit large. This is a medium. This is from the Disney store, and this is a medium, and it's huge. I'm sometimes a 12, size 12 on top, 14. Well, no, 12 on top really. And this is big, because I could have got away with a small. So if you're thinking of getting this jumper and you needed to know the sizing, there you go. Oh, bit of Mickey there. So you're here to see me make resin, and I'm using these today. Look how cute these are. I can probably see it better that way. And I'm going to be making a chopping board. Got some left over. I'll make some matching coasters to go with them. I have got some other ones actually that I could just put in as well, just to do the theme. So yeah, a chopping board and some coasters with resin. So exciting. And I'm probably going to use a little bit of glitter, because you know, that's what we do here. So if you're happy and you're excited, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, subscribe, and let's get on with making the coasters and the chopping board. Okay, so most important piece is the mask and the gloves, and then I'm just showing you the resin and hardener that I'm using. Both, all of my items that I use in this video I've got from Amazon. If you want me to drop any links down below, let me know and I can do that going forward. So I just I'll measure out equal weight of the resin and hardener. Now throughout this video you actually see that I add more and more, because it's quite hard to. What I should have done is I should have put water in the chopping board mold first, weighed that out, then I would have known exactly the velocity of water I needed for the project, but I didn't do that this time. And I used approximately 425 grams of both resin, of a mixture of resin and hardener. So 425 in total is what I used. So measuring it out, and then don't forget you need to stir for a good 5 minutes slowly and consistently. I've sped up this video, so that's why it looks a little bit fast. But yes, that's what you do, and then we're going to get the mold ready. Okie dokie, so the first lot's in, and all I'm going to be doing here is smoothing it out, making sure that the first coat is covered over the totality of the board, of the lovely chopping board, and then just keep pressing the little embellishments down as well. But yeah, that's it for the first coat. Get that in, and then we will make up the second coat. see that I'm using my alcohol spray. Later on though in the video, I do go back to using the flame. I know. Last time, if you remember watching my video, I actually set my resin on fire. So this time I am only doing it per layer. But there was quite a lot of bubbles in, as you can see here of me with the little toothpick trying to get out the bubbles, and actually when it's cured I can see that there's still a few bubbles were in the board. Let's take the time now, just as soon as you see them, just to pop them as much as you can. Okay, so another layer is going on. I think in total, as I said, I did about over 400 mil or grams of this solution, the resin. So it does take up quite a lot. I've said that before in a few other videos as well, but you know what, the end product is pretty epic, so I do not mind. It looks so good and it's worth doing it right. You want a nice chunky board so that when you do cut on it, or you know, for your cocktails or your strawberries and your lemons or whatever you want to use this for, you want it to be strong. Here's the fire. And do you remember last time I was trying to blow it out with my mask on, and yeah, it didn't work. But yeah, you want it to be quite thick so that it's a proper chunky chopping board. Okay, let's start on the cute little coasters that are gonna go with my lovely chopping board. And because obviously I'm recording this now after I've seen what they've turned out like, they are awesome. So the cute little coasters will go through exactly the same process where we'll measure out the hardener and the resin, and we will stir it again for 5 minutes, nice and slow and evenly, and then we will put the lovely little embellishments into the molds and then start the process again. So it is quite time consuming, but the end result is pretty spectacular. So hang around, don't go anywhere. You can watch the end and then you can see how stylish they look, and we will probably put them up onto our eBay account as well. Little pop of fruity colour. These would be perfect for a gift for your mum, your nan, yourself. Great for cocktails, great for just barbecuing or just having around the house, really, just cheering the house up with a pop of colour. If you've got any questions on the resin or anything that I use, please just drop them down below and I will answer them for you. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for giving me your support, guys. I really enjoy doing these. I think next time I may, well, leave me some comments down below what you want me to do. I can either do the straw toppers, or I could do the phone holder. Haven't done one of those for a while. I've also got some brand new inks that I need to, some pigment inks I need to use, and I didn't use the glitter this time, so I do need to use glitter. So let's go wild and let's go crazy on our next one and see what we can produce. I'll probably do some coasters again, or the phone case, the phone holder. I'll probably be quite a good one. I haven't done any of those in a little while. So yeah, let me know down below what you fancy me making. What you've all been waiting for, the unmolding. Now, confession, I actually forgot to video the ends because I did it for the TikTok and Instagram and I forgot to do it for my video. So this is why the videos turned up into portrait and not landscape, but don't they look pretty? Thanks for watching, my friends. See you next time. Bye!
I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath.